Hey everybody, I hope this video finds you well. Oh, you know me. Well, if you watch the channel, you know me, and you know that nothing comes between me and my beloved Chronicles 2017-18 basketball and 17 baseball. I love these products. They give you a lot of hits without costing a fortune, and you can get some really big hits out of both products. I've opened a mother load of both of these because of that, and I'm even thinking about maybe getting a case of one or the other, although I've gone back and forth which one would I get. I've already opened a ton of baseball, so I probably would say basketball, but I just don't know. Anyways, I'm not going to talk this to death. You know the drill. 3 autograph or mem cards. That's one difference though between the basketball and the baseball. The baseball has 4 hits, and it's loaded with Aaron Judge stuff, mostly in the form of redemptions, but still I have pulled so many Aaron Judge redemptions out of the baseball product that it'd be kind of tough to pull the gun on a case of this instead of that. I just don't know. I have to sleep on that. Alright, this has 3 packs, 15 cards in each pack, so there'll be a hit in every pack. Hopefully we can score at least one good autograph. Oh, my fan's blowing that box around. These stacks are huge and I don't want to drop the cards, so I'm going to set half of them down. Good Lord, I'm still about to drop them. Alright, Sarich, Anthony Davis, Mike Conley, McCollum, Malik Monk, rookie, Kevin Love, red, numbered to 299, and Joe Dumars, jersey, to 199. Showing hard work pays off. How does showing hard work? Oh, I guess just working hard. Anyways, the rest of the pack is Ivan Robb. This is a momentum rookie to 199. Caleb Swanigan, Panini Brilliance. It's a good looking card there. It's numbered to 149. It's like a blue parallel. Anobi Panini rookie. Jordan Bell, Pinnacle rookie. Antetokounmpo, Kyle Lowry, Kyrie Irving, and Gortat. Alright, that's pack 1. Hoping the other 2 are autograph or autograph jersey combo. It'd be nice. I'm just going to set them down and pick them up one at a time. Kevin Love, Hayward, DeAndre Jordan, Ntilikina gold standard to 49. Great looking card. I wish it was a little bit of a better rookie. Got a little bit of a ding, not a ding, but a little fleck at the top. Tyler Lydon rookie. Jordan Clarkson to 199. Bam Adebayo to 199 autograph. Who's this? Bogdanovich. This is a Panini Press Proof to 249. Dennis Smith Jr. rookie. And this is a blue to 199. Josh Jackson, momentum rookie. Zizic, majestic rookie. Zach Randolph, Cantor, Hardaway, Waiters. Ugh. So far, not the best box of this I've ever opened, for sure. Usually you can count on, if your hits aren't that great, at least your, your rookie class, the rookie cards are usually good, but this one's kind of not so great. Harden, Lynn, Rubio, Drummond, Selden, Alfred Payton to 299. It's a red parallel. Filler card, and then we have a Jarrett Allen to 49. Auto jersey combo. Looks like a purple, purple parallel. Yeah, it's not too bad. Obviously not who I was looking for, but not too bad. De'Aaron Fox, Majestic to 99. That's not a bad card. Terrence Ferguson rookie, parallel to 99. Dennis Smith Jr., Panini rookie. Markkanen, Pinnacle rookie. Miles Turner, Vucevic, Damari Carroll, Jordan Clarkson. Kind of a strong finish there, but just definitely not one of the better boxes I've ever opened. These are pretty cool. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Matter of fact, let's vote. If I was to get a case of Chronicles, should I get basketball or baseball? Comment below and let me know your preference. Keep in mind, there's 3 hits in the basketball, 4 in the baseball, but if you're gonna just compare rookie classes, I would say this one is stronger. The other one has Aaron Judge, but then it's got like, after that it's like what, Ian Happ. Well, it does have, I think, Dansby Swanson. Yeah, he's 17. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Vote below. Comment one or the other and let me know. Help me decide how to spend my hard-earned money. Take care, everybody. I'll be back with my next break soon. Hey, everybody. Hope this video finds you well. I'm going to open another box of Chronicles Basketball 17-18. There's only 3 packs, 15 cards per pack. There's 3 hits, unlike the baseball version. 17 has 4 hits, so that's kind of a bummer, but I really like the different, as opposed to the baseball, I really like the different kinds of cards you can get in this. Like the marquee cards, they're like a hollow foil and they look really, really good. And it seems like there's more numbered stuff in here than there is in the baseball. To me, it seems that way, but so while it's a bummer that there's one less hit, it can be made up for in some instances by getting some of the good rookies that are numbered in numbered card versions. So, all right. With baseball, I've had tons of luck. With the basketball, it's kind of been hit or miss. I've had some good luck. I've pulled Donovan Mitchell auto, De'Aaron Fox auto. Who else? Not Dennis Smith Jr. I had one more that was really a really good auto, but I've also had lots of boxes where I didn't get squat really. All right, well, let's see which side of the fence this one's gonna be on. DeAndre Jordan, James Harden, Jeremy Lin, Ricky Rubio. There is a Kyle Kuzma rookie. A Dwight Howard parallel, numbered to 299. John Collins autograph. That's not bad. It's numbered out of 149. It looks like a red parallel. That's not too bad. This is nice too. A Dennis Smith Jr. Panini Artist Proof rookie out of 199. Then we have De'Aaron Fox rookie, and this is a parallel numbered out of 299. So far so good. I think this is Frank Mason Pinnacle. Reggie Jackson out of 149. Andre Gordon, Gobert, TJ Warren, and Ben Simmons. Good first pack. Pack 2 has Andre Drummond, Robin Lopez, Kent Bazemore, John Wall, TJ Leaf rookie, Tobias Harris out of 99. It was like a purple parallel. Filler card, Josh Hart autograph, and this is numbered out of 99. So 2 autographs so far, so the other pack will probably just be a jersey. Alright, here's a sweet card, another good example. Majestic Markkanen rookie parallel out of 249. These types of cards really help to add value to this box. Sindarius Thornwell, Brilliance out of 249 rookie. Markel Fultz, Momentum rookie, another nice one. Donovan Mitchell, Majestic rookie. Yeah, this box has a lot of extra added value, so that's good. DeMarcus Cousins, Marc Gasol, Nurkic, and Derrick Rose. And if I could get, this is probably just going to be a jersey, but I'd love to hit a box with 3 autographs. That would be sweet. If not, then I hope at least I get some more good rookies out of here. I see something shiny in here. Alright, Harrison Barnes, Paul George, Bobby Portis. It is a Tadosic Gold Standard rookie numbered out of 49. Dylan Brooks rookie. Jeremy Lin out of 299. So the other hit is Joe Dumars, and just like I thought, just a rookie. I mean, just a rookie, just a jersey. It's numbered out of 99. Then we have a Malik Monk Pinnacle Artist Proof out of 99. Jordan Bell, this is a parallel numbered out of 149. Sterling Brown, Panini rookie. Lonzo Ball, Pinnacle rookie. Al Horford, Blake Griffin, Vince Carter, and Tyreke Evans. So, this is one of those, kind of just, you know, didn't get a super big hit. John Collins autographs, nothing to sneeze at. I don't think Josh Hart's that bad either. And there were some good rookies in here, but of course, you're always looking for the big rookie autographs, you know. So that's what you always hope for when you open something like this. But this is not too bad. So I'm not going to like have tears in my beer tonight. I'll be okay. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Take care of others. And I hope to see you again here soon.